It's a pleasure to greet you, ladies and gentlemen. Es un placer saludarlos, damas y caballeros. El día de hoy vamos a aprender una lista de palabras compuestas en inglés, con un método divertido que, al unir dos palabras, podemos obtener una palabra nueva. ¿Ok? Let's begin with it right now. Jelly, fish, jellyfish, jellyfish. Fire, man, fireman, fireman. Fire, fighter, firefighter, firefighter. Foot, ball, football, football. Tooth, brush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Tooth, paste, toothpaste, toothpaste. Bottle, fly, butterfly, butterfly. Rain, bow, rainbow, rainbow. Light, house, lighthouse, lighthouse. Flash, light, flashlight, flashlight. Pan, cake, pancake, pancake. Egg, plant, eggplant, eggplant. Snow, man, snowman, snowman. Horse, shoe, horseshoe, horseshoe. Sun, flower, sunflower, sunflower. Lip, stick, lipstick, lipstick. Sea, horse, seahorse, seahorse. Ear, ring, earring, earring. Water, melon, watermelon, watermelon. Pine, apple, pineapple, pineapple. Green, house, greenhouse, greenhouse. Note, book, notebook, notebook. Mail, bus, mail bus, mail bus. Toilet, paper, toilet paper, toilet paper. Classmate, classmate, classmate. Girl, friend, girlfriend, girlfriend. Espero que haya sido de gran ayuda este método divertido de utilizar las palabras compuestas en inglés. Nos vemos en un próximo video.